This is a quick Branco Customs showcase video of an N690 Paracord handled mini Nessmuk knife. This knife would be ideal for a backpack or survival or camping situations. It's got a small 65mm long blade and is finished to a nice hand-rubbed satin finish. The paracord handle could be used with or without, and either way it fits into a nice small compact Kydex sheath with belt clip. Check out my website for the most comprehensive information, and if you would like to either order a custom knife for yourself or as a gift for someone, please check out my website www.brancocustoms.com. Thank you.